In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom emojis in Slack. Custom emojis are a simple way to make your Slack workspace feel more personal and more fun. Whether you want to upload a company logo, a team meme, or a helpful icon people can use in conversations, Slack makes the process pretty straightforward. The main thing is to make sure your image is prepared correctly before you upload it, so everything looks clean once it appears in chat. To begin, check your image file. Slack works best with standard image formats like PNG, JPG, or GF if you want animation. Try to use a perfect square image so it doesn't look stretched or cropped awkwardly. A good target size is 128 by 128 pixels. Also, keep the file under 128 kilobytes. Slack can shrink larger images automatically, but staying within that limit helps avoid upload issues and gives you a smoother experience. Once your image is ready, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Go to any channel or direct message and click inside the message box, just as if you were about to type something. On the right side of that text field, click the smiley face icon to open the emoji panel. When the emoji menu appears, look for the option that says Add Emoji. Depending on your Slack layout, it may appear near the top or bottom of the emoji window. Click that option and Slack will open the workspace customization window where custom emojis are managed. Inside that window, make sure you're on the custom emoji section, then click Upload Image. A file browser will open on your computer. From there, find the square image you prepared earlier, select it, and confirm your choice by clicking Open or Choose. After uploading the image, Slack will ask you to name it. In the field provided, enter a short and memorable name that people can type in chat to use the emoji. Keep the name in lowercase, don't use spaces, and make it easy to remember. For example, a simple hyphenated name works well. When people use it in Slack, they'll type it with colons on both sides. Once the name looks good, click the purple Save button to add it to the workspace. That's it. Your custom emoji is now available for everyone in that Slack workspace to use. To test it, go back to any conversation and type the emoji name with colons around it, or reopen the emoji picker and look for it in the custom section. If everything was formatted properly, your new emoji should appear right away and be ready for messages and reactions. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.